So if you're thinking about traveling internationally, especially if this is going to be your first time, then you're probably going to have to do a lot of planning and preparation. And if you're thinking about doing this for the long term, maybe 3 months or more, then it's even more important for you to plan as best as possible. And then for me, I definitely went through this myself because I traveled for 8 months internationally, and it was one of the most amazing experiences of my life. And I highly recommend that everybody do some type of international travel if they are able to. And throughout this journey, I obviously learned some things, both the good things and the bad things. And so today I want to talk about something that's super important that you do before you go on your travels. And so what is this important thing? Well, it's this and it's this. Now, I know these just look like phones, but they're phones built for a specific purpose, specifically for international travel. And so the first and most important thing is both of these phones are unlocked. This is really, really important for you to have an unlocked phone because that allows you to use different SIMs as you are traveling internationally, because if they are locked, then you're not able to use your phone in other countries. And so if you do have a phone with the carrier, make sure it's paid off and then get the unlock codes if it's required. Or you could just buy an unlocked phone through Amazon, which is what I did. So I have here the OnePlus Nord N20 and also the Motorola Moto G. Both of these are unlocked. Plus, they were at a really, really great price. I was able to get both of these for less than $300 US. And I think nowadays you could probably get these for less than $200. So definitely great prices, and they got pretty much all the features that you need. And then the second thing is you want to make sure that these phones have different SIM capabilities. So what do I mean by that? Well, with my OnePlus, it actually has 2 physical SIM card slots. So I can use my US SIM in one and then another SIM in the other slot. And pretty much everywhere you go, they are going to be using physical SIMs. And physical SIMs in general provide overall better performance. That leads me to the second phone, and that is this one with a physical SIM and an eSIM. And so an eSIM is becoming more and more popular, where people don't use physical SIM cards, but they use an electronic SIM card. And even though there are advantages to this, specifically that, you can use your eSIM practically anywhere around the world without having a physical SIM card, it doesn't quite work as well as the physical SIM in most of the situations that I was in. Plus, not every single carrier actually provides eSIM support in certain countries. And so that's why I use a service like Holafly. And for the most part, I had really great performance out of this. But more importantly, I actually have more options whenever it comes to my cellular data and service. And so that's why I have phones with 2 physical SIMs and then one with physical SIM and eSIM. And then the final thing is you want to make sure that the most important things that you have on your main phone is also copied over to this phone. And so if you were to unfortunately have this damaged, lost, or worse, stolen, then you have a backup with all the most important things that you need. And let me tell you, if you lose your phone or have it broken as you're traveling internationally, this could be an absolute nightmare, because so much of what we do nowadays rely heavily on our phones. And so those are the top 3 things that you definitely want to do whenever you are traveling with these phones built for international travel. And let me tell you, once you have these things set up before your travel, you're going to be so happy that you did. So if you actually had any thoughts on this or any other ways in which you travel internationally, be sure to leave in the comments area below. And if you did want to support my channel and get these phones, I will leave affiliate links in the description area below.